Okay, welcome back. Hi, GH Live. Na said unimino ye rem ewa goodie kwan so Manchester United aswe enene ye ra baby a obia no ye ka akai will say subscribe to this channel. And I'm say eba a goodie hun sem se fast sports. And I feel so anything ya kwantu mu nkomo. Ni nyina no yakeka bom eboa eman kunimdie no ewie pe and of course anything breaking news. Aha, and no nchemu ni nyina. What dear any GH Live. Bibia top fem IDT no GH Live. O subscribe wa obeti mi akan ho na bibia wie nkonim die so. Ede ama ye come Manchester United aso ye enti United fans mumfre yi na yie emra. De tie nyina ne se Ineos eba be fa bobokuo no. Womo aitse ekbo se kwan bia so. Wombeboa ama team no asa ba be si ne nan so nyanko bebe kwan so ahoden kwan so pa. Said ye not Sir Alexander Chapman Ferguson time na ejan na so preme te say a bele was wa ba no sam pepe eno mayo madwen say on be me ejan na so enti ne Ineos wo mo adin kan aye set up na structure na koso ukopie mo Manchester United a ho a wo mo say Carrington training ho no wo mo no ultra modern I tell say up to speed pa no mo dey ya enya ketwa ne wo mo ram our transfer window major signings. Ebeboa my team no efra drumu akwa dumu. Now who are the players? Players abano. What's your mudin? Yes. Now guni momu ye. Say no musi trademark. Esi wafa omo esi etie. Ne santi na GH Live ya fatu ya muswa. Ni nyina mono yeri nchire mono no. Na first major signing under the Ineos. Womo no. Akwadani din edie Joshua Zirkzee. One and a first major signing under the auspices of new owners and I say new co-owners are from the Ineos Sir Jim Ratcliffe one etumi ayane kama Joshua Zirkzee akwadai bia were forward ne ball bono esumbu ye pa na ofrihin na the style of play et say ni di ankasa de Joshua Orobosa Zirkzee Yes, Nidino no. After 2001, May 22nd, and also Onini was a carbon for fair coin so a quadana dempo. I had a simple a 200 kama and yet for the agro cry as a midyebi, not as your from to cry a kama. And by the time I record the video, a Joshua or Roboxa Zirkzee or 23 years, and I'm the 2001, May 22nd, and I want a war no Krobia. A war Netherlands and as a Holland, crony did it, shake them, a honomo, and a omo shake them, a honomo, and a woman kama. Now the 10 is 6'4", and the Manchester United, when you player, womo and what they want to be 2.0 papa, we are forward. Yes, now the ball on the sign is here. What's the ball on the youth career say, a war Bobo Choir friend is a VV Helen a honomo no shots here. After 2007, because 2010, as a youth career, and what they call Spartan 20. From Spartan 20, and of course, Den Haag, and of course, from there, 2016-2017 football season, you know, Feyenoord, youth career, and a Bayern Munich for who say, hey, I could be also running Bobo ye. The Bavarians, 2017, Omokotono, or the Namwa, Bayern Munich 2. One more youth level no equasi 2019 kai enti 2019 no mse kwada ya de enti ada na 18 no yam won atiko na ya mane nkọ nanim eno mo etimi upgrade no yes enka mobile phone upgrade ko foforo eno mo timi ka se da bi ye mo akọ anim eno mo timi e ma ne ba nanim e ba Bayern Munich senior side ho 2019 2022 football season no Joshua Zirkzee Honomo and I see na kind na about as many as 32 games at my Bayern Munich junior side SS6 goals as forward and na omodene senior side also about 12 games and I share 4 goals and almost there be akwadai the development fedodo yamanin Cologne and a Bayern Munich edini loan Parma Bobo Kono Parma ewo Italy and what you call loan by no and almost had in the twice so called Anderlecht Bobo Kono Belgium loan. Na enumwa 2021-2022 no mse there be loan I am yenu wako Parma a hawk about 4 games Anderlecht over 38 games ɛsɛ 16 goals yes ska nti say the obo na basoro ɛna ɔmo tɔn no de ne ma Bologna bobokuo no ɛwɔ Italy Bologna now Bologna 2022 yes if my memory serves me right there and yet 2022 and Joshua Zirkzee Oroboxa Ekopiemu ewo Bologna siakanya 2024 nyina na ogba adwuma fi mu ede mo a na nyaketwa wo so qualify be Champions League akwara goals eboa yie pa about 53 games 13 goals ede ma Bologna and asisia no Manchester United wo mo abreki bank fefe kwan so akwakofa akwara ya wababa ye omu new forwarder say Joshua Zirkzee wababa si akan ede ama Manchester United boboko na wasign bibia vivid kwan so wahu dada na ye chrem amu sa akwada no ne qualities a wo no eno no Netherlands national team there afa no asase a o fifi sen wo a washase abo as many as 2-3 games ede ama wo mo na under 15 any under 16 17 18 19 nyina no ebesi 21 wasi akan as goals ahodo ede ama wo mu a enye ketwa kra na yenim se omame yes na wofo efrehin tieniye Joshua Zirkzee Netherlands ena ye wo no de no papa eye Dutch ni to so papa Holland ni ena omame so ye Nigeria yes abi ekuta mpotam ho omame eye alatani fefefe kwan so Nigeria ena ne omame free no papa nso eye Holland ni sa ena esiti anchemu no esiti ayedema in for the style of play Joshua Zirkzee say nipa oya na icon Ronaldinho he like to carry the ball now fi what they dead there kwan so now will play for the team and also eye the to United for monya forwarder or send a ball bono na idol Ronaldinho and definitely so team to us or Ronaldinho Gaucho or also ne style ni bia enye for the agro and way akwadai a new signing for Manchester United after 2024-2025 football season obejina ni mu ede ama wo mu na no mu ena o mato aso United ho ayegina akwadai wa beto so ye friend say Leny Yoro Leny Yoro yes Leny Yoro akwadai na Madrid pen pa na Madrid pen na enya ketwa na Madrid pen ye papa ene nei dia beto dwa nyina ne say Manchester United boboko no atimi asoni mu a wababa ye one player wasi akan cry din kan de ama wo mo ewo preseason ma bra mo any Rangers ebo ayo mo share commune no na ne mo eso ani ye papa etodwa kama na eyenkunimdie enti Leny Yoro na uhu no ewo screen so na Manchester United new center back ono so ma kwai na ise oba be si akan ede ama boboko no na the first game our boy Edema United boboko no it was really impressive na enyeketwa kra na esumbuye na chese uhwema against Rangers about first half na ultimia 51 touches yes ono na first player onya many touches against Rangers and on the passes and also 48 first ono na etimi complete here passes completed and so na 44 na attempted 48 passes emu 44 na completed the long passes are complete here makuma 9 na nso numere uno pitch na so and the ball recovery no so na esumbuye papa ni nyina no outfield player in the Manchester United enya no a chiro no center back oba be boye pa edi ama wo mo na GH line ato ebo agiban ama ye ne akodai nkomodie atodwa na ye bisa no the style of play say na esitie na hefa ni nyina mo no ono ade betu dwa de ama but back to yen so be o free France ukopie mo France Saint Maurice ono mo na Leny Yoro wono awofo ewo no owa ye 6'3" na just say o 6'3" 6 feet 3 inches na as a center back there na the 15 shirted jersey so I ready na as a vintage kwan so na onam o share ba say edema Affordville o se park bi da o mu fie na nim ho e honom na o sha ase edema Affordville na okobọ kakrama Villeneuve Diasc na ofiri okọ Lille Metropole kusi akan kakra edema Lille boboku no junior side na for 2022 na Lille omo de ko team B about 13 games and omo se kai akwa ni mbobo Hey, ultra board lead denche. Said the mini and Yemi Becano, and on promote to the ba senior side, Lille. Into 2022, banning Nina Bessie 24, no Bajuma, ultra board lead denche, Eddie Emma Lille, Bobo Kuna, or Basmanias, best of 46 games. To me, a heady bomb, you know, the Twatinamo, Eddie Lille, Bobo Kuna, Manchester United, and a very good player, pa. Now, a joining team, local France, the under 17, or Bobby under 18, under 19. And under 21, any under 23. Wow, but he's yet to feature for the senior national team from say Alele Blue no in Chemuno and I the air to ja ama in a tier for now. What I said, my dear, apart from Park, so no, was senior year pa after studying within Lille Academy, no, Yoro graduated from high school. Just say unya management science. And your man in Krata and Kutanoa, management science. I know the jaja nyawa. Park and also or managing Yamasa Kama and also the Ababeto Jai Yadema Yanati for a woman. Tisadia can St. Maurice and Aquadai now for a woman, Nadia Tia and it's a La Cote d'Ivoire and a descent, the lineage, Otrakia, and Nasa Utricia, Eba Ebesie. He's of Ivorian descent through his father or papa La Cote d'Ivoire ni. And at the age of 5 and no shots as well Bobo no papa the name called Affordville na omo hwane kama bibianom ewie pay nti naja efi la Côte d'Ivoire na o ma men so France importer mo hono ma na nkurimdie no eto dwanti Lille Olivier Yoro Leny Yoro. Yes, we up to speed center back we be adwuma yie pa na ebisa no ya tete to say Leny wo hye obo ba as a striker say na nesitie e ne wa be center back odi nchemu no my live e wo GH live so. Yes, na ye dia tuja na bibia wie pay commode to ye nim no eno ene e ba bebo e de ama ye na tie for na o ma hu se de esi e kwenti Leny Yoro wo show ball basse e de Manchester United when a good game against Bobo Kwaye from say Rangers wo show ball basse say na wo show ball basse
before. I was a striker before. So yeah, this is really not the same from now, but yeah, I was a striker. I was really fast. I was tall, so I scored a lot of goals.
Yeah.
But yeah, before I was a striker. Yeah.
Who would you pretend to be in the playground or on the pitch where you were playing? Which player were you kind of dreaming that you were like?
A lot of people compare me to Leny.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I was young, because I was fast like him, and I love this player. For me, it was a target to be like him, but now this is not the same because I'm defender.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was my player.
Tell us about your family. I'm sure they've played a massive role in helping you to develop as a player and a person, and they must be very proud today as well.
Yeah, for me, my family is really important. They are really close to me. For me, I cannot live without my family. You know, they help me a lot because it was not always easy for me. So when it was not easy, they was there for me. So yeah, my family is really close to me, and it's important.
And how did your family react in the first days or hours where you got the call?
They was really happy for me. You know, it was really fast for us. So now they have to imagine, but yeah, we was really happy. Yeah.
And your friends, you've been getting a lot of messages?
Yeah, I receive a lot of messages. I will answer after, but yeah, they're really happy for me too.
Okay, let's talk about English football and Manchester United. What do you know about English football, about the Premier League, about the fans, the atmospheres, the stadiums? How does it seem from the outside?
Yeah, I know this is the biggest fan in the world. It's incredible, the stadium, the fans are everywhere. And yeah, for me, Old Trafford, this is the best stadium in the world.
And I think you've played 2 times in England.
Yeah.
A friendly in Brentford in last August, and then Aston Villa as well.
Yes, Leny Olivier Yoro. And I would say in can Ochichimus or Shenaba was as a striker. Nani idol that time ye Nani, Luis Almeida da Cunha Nani, and in Chifri Cape Verde or board in Portugal. National team was a legend. Edema Manchester United no Luis Almeida da Cunha Nani. Or no, and now or any idol, and I'll be brace. Ubo Sanani too much. The Santi or she goes with as a striker. but Sisia no dey or center back. Into Manchester United be the first to know exclusively. Mo new center back amanya no, he used to be a striker. Yano nso ye nchiremu a ye dey tu jama ye na tiefo no. Nti sana esitie. Yes, Manchester United 2 new signings are omo aye for now. Joshua Orobosa Zirkzee. Ninchi efri Nigeria hono maami free but Netherlands and Neja efri Netherlands national team na obo na Leny Olivier Yoro one nso Neja efri omaya your friend say La Côte d'Ivoire ba one nso France and Osia kan edema omo nchemu ni nyina no ye dey amount live ewo GH live kwan so sports kwan so yes aha de bibia ye dey tuja edema nti o person ni edi nkita ho a number na that's +233 530-044341 or friend WhatsApp here. Yes, WhatsApp here. Na ending common bibia na our input no yintimi and hooky up na jumedie no enwe permit the direction kz to yara so ne die siamo GH live everybody monkoso enjoy
Subscribe to GH Live.
Everybody,
Subscribe to GH